Ever tried to juggle multiple projects, deadlines, and dependencies all at once? It can feel like trying to herd cats in a rainstorm, right? Well, that's where project management tools come into play. And today, we're diving deep into one of the most popular ones, Asana. Asana is known for its simplicity and flexibility, but can it handle the complex visual planning that Gantt charts offer? Let's find out. Part 1. Understanding Gantt charts. Definition. Gantt charts are like roadmaps for your projects. They visualize tasks, their timelines, dependencies, and progress. It's a visual representation of your project plan. Benefits. Gantt charts help you see the big picture, easily understand the project's scope and timeline, identify dependencies, pinpoint tasks that rely on others, track progress, monitor project advancement in real time, manage resources, allocate resources effectively, identify bottlenecks, spot potential delays or roadblocks. Part 2. Asana's capabilities. Core features. Asana is packed with features like task management, create, assign, and track tasks, project management, organize tasks into projects and subtasks, collaboration, work together with team members, automation, set up rules to automate repetitive tasks, integrations, connect with other tools like Google Calendar or Slack. Gantt chart limitations. While Asana offers a basic Gantt chart view, it's not as robust as dedicated project management tools like Microsoft Project or Primavera. Asana's Gantt charts are more focused on providing a general overview rather than detailed planning and resource allocation. Part 3. Creating a Gantt chart in Asana. Step-by-step guide. Create a project. Start by setting up a new project. Add tasks. Break down your project into smaller, manageable tasks. Assign due dates. Set deadlines for each task. Create dependencies. Link tasks that depend on others. View Gantt chart. Switch to the Gantt chart view to see your project's timeline. Adjust timelines. Drag and drop tasks to change their start and end dates. Add milestones. Mark significant project milestones. Part 4. Asana's Gantt chart features. Basic functionality. Asana's Gantt charts offer basic features like task bars, visual representation of tasks, timelines, display the project's timeline, dependencies, show task relationships, progress bars, indicate task completion, critical path, highlight the longest sequence of tasks. Limitations. While Asana's Gantt charts are functional, they lack advanced features found in dedicated project management tools. For example, you might find it difficult to create multiple baselines, compare different project plans, perform resource allocation, assign resources to tasks, analyze critical path analysis, calculate the project's shortest possible duration, use advanced scheduling techniques, implement techniques like leveling or crashing. Part 5. Asana versus dedicated Gantt chart tools. Comparison. While Asana offers a basic Gantt chart view, dedicated tools like Microsoft Project or Primavera provide more advanced features and customization options. If your project requires complex planning, resource allocation, or advanced scheduling techniques, a dedicated Gantt chart tool might be a better fit. Consider your needs. Ask yourself, do I need advanced scheduling features? Do I need to allocate resources to tasks? Do I need to create multiple baselines? Is a simple Gantt chart view sufficient for my project? Asana's Gantt chart functionality is suitable for basic project planning and tracking. However, if you require advanced features or complex project management, dedicated Gantt chart tools might be a better choice. The best tool for you depends on your specific needs and project requirements. If you're still unsure about whether Asana is the right fit for your project, consider trying out a free trial of a dedicated Gantt chart tool or consulting with a project management expert. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.